In the given question, they given a disk with some number of tracks. Okay, 64, 512 sectors per track, then 1 KB size of each sector storage, then angular velocity 3000 rpm they have given, seek time 10 milliseconds they have given, and then after that they have asked that what will be the time taken to read 8 KB of data. So first of all, if we want to calculate the disk access time, total access time, then that particular time will be addition of three things. First is seek time plus rotational latency plus transfer time, data transfer time. Seek time they have given 10 milliseconds. Rotational latency will be the half of the one rotation time. So we will calculate one rotation time. Okay, so for 3000 rotations it takes 60 seconds per minute they have given. So for one rotation it will be 60 divided by 3000 seconds. And if I want to convert this value into milliseconds, then it will be 20 milliseconds. So my latency will be half of this time, that is 20 divided by 2, 10 milliseconds. Now we will calculate what is the data transfer time. Data transfer time. Data transfer time, you can understand easily that this particular disk can take 20 milliseconds to read or to rotate complete track, and in one track there are 512 sectors and each sector is having 1 KB of capacity. So this will be my data transfer time for one sector or one particular KB, and for 8 KB I'll have to multiply 8 KB just because in the question they have asked data transfer time for 8 KB. So this particular time I'll get is 0.3125 milliseconds. If I'll add all those times, seek time is 10 milliseconds, latency is again 10 milliseconds, and this particular time, then total time will be 20.3125. So this will be my answer, 20.3125 milliseconds.